All right, everybody, welcome back. Well, our good friends out at Saker contacted me to know whether I wanted to review the electric snow blower, which it's the same thing as a leaf type blower. And I said, sure, why not? And you can see a diagram of it. And we'll go over and look at the specifications real quick. All right, there's your air volume, maximum wind speed, motor speed, battery type, and noise value, decibels, stuff like that. Anyway, let's open this guy up and see what we got. All right, here's your instruction manual. Your various adapters. There is your battery charger type. And here is the battery itself. Obviously, before we use this, we're going to have to get it charged up and stuff. Looks like we got ourselves two batteries. This ought to be interesting. Alright. Let's get everything out of the way here. Alright, you can see where the battery slides onto. Yeah, you can tell by the size of this barrel, it's a pipe that goes on it. It's going to have a lot of force coming out of it. So we'll get this all put together here. Alright, you'll see a little connection point here, and it simply just spins around, and it's got a little hole right here, and then you just spin it, lock it. You got the other little adapter here. You make it like a really short, and these batteries have that little push type thing that tells you exactly how much juice is in it. It's about 50% on that one. Nothing on that one, so we'll have to charge these up before we go any further. Alright, the unit is assembled. And you got your little speed thing here. You got your push. Alright, let's get these batteries charged up. Alright, you see your little push button here. And this helps you rotate the handle. Alright, this right here, here's your switch knob. Adjust the gear position back and forth between 0 and 5. Okay, we just need to do some battery charging. Alright, we got one of the batteries on charge here. Here's the second battery. Two batteries, that'll go and give us plenty of juice to deal with on a project and stuff like that. But I have used other blowers, and it does as good on snow as it does on leaves and debris and everything else. So cleaning out your workshop, blowing out your car, your truck, bed of your truck, whatever else, all sorts of different uses for it. And so we'll just relax for a little while and let the Saker battery charger do its thing. Oh yeah, we're about ready to go. So we'll set this thing up and get it out, the camera out there with the nozzle end and kind of reduce the sound when we edit the video, so you can actually see the force of which it's coming out at. Alright, well, you saw down there on the demonstration. This is your power adjustment on off. And I would definitely say more than adequate power. Oh yeah. Good piece of equipment there, Saker. Thank you very much. We'll get this other battery charged up and stuff. Okay, I used this a good part of yesterday and already this morning. Saker, I'd say you got a nice product here. This it says electric snowblower, but as you've seen in the video, works great. Leaves, debris, anything else and whatnot. So I like it. 22 volt lithium batteries, 2 of them. It's lightweight, easy to carry, got plenty of power, adjustable power, just twist a handle. All right, I'll give this a thumbs up. This is a great piece of equipment.